Why you should always start your day with ginger. Morning is the best time to invest in your health. As most commonly known, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. One of the many ways you can improve your health in the best possible manner is ginger. Ginger is filled with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory traits. It helps in preventing diseases and infections. Also, it has enzymes and antioxidants that help get rid of the toxins from your body. It is really a wonderful idea to include ginger in your morning routine. Here's how you can do that. Health benefits of ginger in the morning. 1. Boost your immune system. Ginger is loaded with antimicrobial traits that help to fight harmful bacteria, due to which harmful bacteria present in your gut are destroyed. The anti-inflammatory property of ginger helps in removing the inflammation in the nerves of the immune system. 2. Boost your metabolism. A healthy metabolism is a must for a healthy life. To do this, you can add ginger juice into your morning routine, as this helps to fight bacteria. How to incorporate ginger in your breakfast meal. 1. Add ginger in your morning coffee. Ginger and coffee make a powerful free radical fighting duo, especially because coffee is one of the biggest source of antioxidants. To get your morning beverage pick-me-up, just add ground ginger into your java, 1 teaspoon per cup. 2. Anti-inflammatory granola bowl. A bowl of crunchy, fiber-rich granola is an easy breakfast choice. But adding spicy and fragrant, ginger granola to the mix would make it much better. Directions. 1. Grate 1 inch of ginger. 2. Combine with honey or melted coconut oil. 3. Drizzle it over your breakfast bowl. Adding ginger into your morning breakfast bowl provides anti-inflammatory benefits, in particular for people with rheumatoid arthritis. 3. Add ginger juice to smoothies. Ginger juice is perfect for a variety of things, including salad dressings and stir-fries. It includes many health benefits, from boosting metabolism, and naturally fighting bacteria. Also, it is good in treating menstrual cramps, pain, and exercise-induced soreness. If ginger juice is too strong on its own, you can add some to your post-workout protein shake or morning smoothie. 4. Ginger tea for your dose of vitamin C. Ginger tea may help calm an upset stomach. 1 cup of this spicy tea in the morning would be helpful in relieving motion sickness, nausea, or pregnancy-induced morning sickness. 5. Spread ginger jam on toasts. Ginger jam may not be the healthiest option, but it certainly is a healthier one. Whether you are buying it, or making your own, a dash of ginger jam is delicious on biscuits or toast. 6. Ginger syrup. Ginger people made their organic ginger syrup as an alternative to pancake syrup. Using only 2 ingredients, this tasty syrup is delicious when used in baked goods, beverages, pancakes, oatmeal, and waffles. Ginger syrup recipe. Materials: 1/4 pound thinly sliced ginger, 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar. Directions. 1. Make your own ginger syrup by boiling the ingredients for at least 30 minutes. 2. Strain the mixture using a strainer or sieve for a smoother texture.